Hello everyone, this is Sir John and welcome to my channel. Today, what do you need to know after going through this lesson? You are expected to illustrate the angles in standard position and learn the properties of coterminal angles. But before we dive in, let's see how angles are being measured. An angle is said to be negative if the ray rotates in a clockwise direction. So imagine the hand of the clock that ticks on this direction. You formed a negative angle. From the initial side down to the terminal side, negative angle. On the other hand, an angle is said to be positive if the ray rotates in a counterclockwise direction. Counterclockwise or anti-clockwise direction, just simply the opposite of clockwise. So you form a positive angle. From the initial side up to the terminal side, that is a positive angle. So these two are angles in standard position. When you say standard position, its initial side lies on the positive x-axis. So as you can see, both initial sides are on the positive x-axis. These two angles are in standard position. Let's try some problem exercises. And this time, we're going to draw some angles in standard position. Number 1, 340 degrees. Since this is a positive angle from the initial side up to the terminal side, you form 340 degrees. This is your angle. And number 2, you have negative 150 degrees. From the initial side down, since it's negative, down to the terminal side, and this is 150 degrees, you form your angle. Now, if two angles in standard position have common terminal side, we call them coterminal angles. To make it simple, coterminal angles have same initial and terminal side. And please take note of their angles. They differ by 360 degrees. And as a quick illustration, let's try this example. So we're given a 20-degree angle and we are to find the positive coterminal angle with 20 degrees. As I have mentioned, coterminal angles share the same initial side and same terminal side. And they also differ by 360 degrees. So if I'm going to share the initial side, I will start here and a positive coterminal. So I will rotate on this direction up to the terminal side. So they share terminal side now and also they share initial side. What is this angle? 360 plus 20 is 380 degrees. So that is your answer. The positive coterminal angle with 20 degrees is 380 degrees and they differ by 360 degrees. Let's try this one. This time, we're given a positive 60 degree angle and we are to find the negative coterminal angle with 60 degrees. Again, if this is positive 60 degrees and we are to find the negative coterminal angle with this one, so coterminal angles, we share the same initial side, but we are to find the negative. So going down up to the terminal side, because they share the same terminal side, what do you think is the measurement of this angle? They differ by 360, so meaning this is negative 300 degrees. Just take a look. 300 degrees negative. So let's try the last example. So we're given a bigger angle here, 110 degrees, and we're to find the positive coterminal angle with the given angle and the negative coterminal angle with the given angle. So let's try the positive coterminal. Shared the same initial side. So we have 360 plus 110 equals 470. And that is our answer. So as you can see, they differ by 360 degrees. Now, let's find or solve the negative coterminal angle of negative 110, I mean. So, negative going down, or in a clockwise direction, up to the terminal side, that is your angle. How do you measure that? It's a negative 250, and that is correct. You see, what is the difference between 110 and negative 250? It's 360 degrees. One is 110, and the other one, the negative coterminal, is negative 250 degrees.